When it comes to upgrading your old lead supply pipe, we'll do all the hard work for you. Watch as we bring this household supply right up to date. So, first things first, we need to make sure that both you and the public are safe throughout the entire replacement process. This means setting up safety barriers and signs letting everybody know where we're working, and this may even include some traffic management outside. Now we have our working space, we can crack on safely and start to dig down to the old lead pipe. Before we start digging though, we just need to make sure that we know where all the other pipes and cables are, such as your gas and electric, to avoid hitting them and causing any issues when we dig.
So I'm just scanning the ground here for cables, other utilities basically, radio, BT, electric. Because we're digging outside people's houses, we want to do it in the safest manner possible. Last thing we want to be doing is hitting the other services. So we scan them to see where they are and we can avoid them when we're digging.
Once marked out, we then use a circular saw to make the cut into the pavement. We'll then dig this out and use specialist equipment to make this process as quick, clean and efficient as possible.
So I'm just going to use this, what you call an air pick or an air lance now to break the ground. What it does, it jets a high pressure jet of air into the ground to loosen it up. And again, it goes back to safety, and you don't want to hit any of these services, the electric, the gas. And this, because it's a jet of air, is not going to cut through anything, especially we get some really hard ground. And you don't want to be hacking away at it with a shovel or anything like that.
Right, this is Valentino. This is a VAC-X. He's actually part of the team. Easiest way to put it is a glorified hoover. What he does is, once we break out the ground with the air lance, this sucks it all up. It makes the site a lot more tidier, it's faster, it's easier for us, and it keeps the area tidy for the customer.
And not even a little bit of rain can stop our team. Now we've dug down and replaced the first part of the lead pipe where your external stop tap is on your property. We want the work on your property to be as quick and easy as possible. One way we can do this is to dig 2 small holes, one at each end, and feed your new supply pipe from the external stop tap right to where the water goes into your home. This is usually in the kitchen. If we can't do this, we'll dig a simple trench along the line of the pipe instead. In any case, we'll let you know before we start. Here is the old lead pipe, which is cut away and removed. Here you can see the old lead pipe against the new plastic pipe. The team here is feeding the new pipe underground from one hole to the other, which prevents the need to dig up your garden or drive. This is an innovative technique known as moleing. Not only does this bring our water safely to your home, it will also increase the flow of water, which means you can have a quicker cuppa. We'll then make a small entry point into the property wall where the new pipe will be fed through to make the connection to your home. This makes things much easier and means we don't need to dig under your home. To protect the new pipe, we'll place an introduct on the external wall of your property. This is an insulated box that protects your vital water supply from freezing and makes it much easier if anyone needs to work on your pipe in the future. Now your new supply pipe is in and connected, we'll check to make sure everything is working as it should. We'll then clean up, because it's important to us that we do our very best to reinstate the areas we've worked on, putting everything back to normal, leaving you to enjoy your new, safer water supply. And there you have it, the end-to-end process of a typical lead replacement, upgrading a 60-year-old water connection in just a couple of days. Want to know more? Well, just get in touch and we'll be happy to help.